Installation of crossbeam for 2130 CNC nesting machine. The machine adopts a 1500W servo motor, professional engineer chassis wiring. Circuit diagrams are essential for our company. All machine bed bodies are machined using a 5-sided milling machine. All track racks are made of high-precision genuine tracks and racks. After processing, the machine packages it because the CNC nesting machine is sent abroad. So every CNC nesting machine needs to dismantle the gantry so that it can be loaded into a container. The machines in the video are for 2137 CNC nesting machines sent to Turkey. Installation of crossbeam for 2130 CNC nesting machine. Leave professional tasks to professionals. Only in this way can we help overseas customers save high shipping costs. Our company has a professional loading team. We guarantee the safe delivery of every CNC nesting machine to our customers. If you need a CNC nesting machine, woodworking cutting machine, please choose Jinong M Shine.